Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening wherever you are. Welcome to my business page. So bago ko makalimutan, ang name nga pala ng business page ko ay SJen NGD. And for those who do not know me yet, I am Jeneline. I'm a mom of two amazing kids and a digital business owner. So, today I am so excited na ipakilala sa inyo ang naging blessings ko kung bakit naandito ako sa digital business na ito. Kung bakit ako naandito sa journey na ito. Hindi lang siya isang coach, kundi isa rin siyang mentor, sister, and a source of constant encouragement. My amazing coach, Ate Glenda. So, Ate Glenda, thank you for taking the time to be here. So, kamusta ka, Ate Glenda?
Hello po sa lahat. I hope everyone is doing okay today. So thank you, Jen, for giving me this opportunity to be on your business page. So as Jen po mentioned, I'm her coach and mentor in the business. So I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, but of course, originally from the Philippines po. And I'm a mom of three wonderful kids then. And I think that's it. So we can move on.
So thank you, Coach Glenda, sa pagpapakilala ng iyong sarili. So we are going to proceed na sa ating question and answer. Are you ready? Are you ready, Coach Glenda?
Let's go. Let's do this.
So my first question is, when and how did you get into this digital business?
Okay, so nakita ko tong negosyong ito in July of 2018. So actually, I was just browsing my social media. So, and then may nakita akong advertisement on social media. Actually, hindi ko alam na advertisement yon because all I know back then na ang Facebook is all about like connecting to family and friends, 'di ba? Socializing, 'di ba? Parang ganun lang. So hindi ko alam na yung mga dumadaan pala sa newsfeed natin, it's one of like a business advertisement din. So marami palang ganun na hindi natin alam. So kaya hindi ako makapaniwala na on Facebook ako kung makikita ang negosyong ito through that may nag-share ng business opportunity. So that was in July of 2018. And then, 6 years, 6 years na into this digital business.
So, and thank you so
bakit
much.
Ako,
sorry. Go ahead, Coach Glenda.
Yeah, I hope I answered your question correctly.
Yeah. And there's one question. How did you get into this digital business? Yeah.
So, actually, nung kahit nasa Pinas pa ako is mahilig rin talaga ako yung sa side hustle. So, while I was working back in the Philippines, kahit may full-time job ako, so marami akong mga side hustle na yung direct selling. And then, pagdating din dito is ganun din. So, aside from, lalo na dito, di ba, maraming bayarin, maraming bills. So, in order to help my husband then kasi I'm working full-time and then he's working I'm working part-time lang that time. So I've been like naghahanap ako ng mga iba't ibang mga opportunity din kasi mahilig ako talaga. Kumbaga hindi natin kailangan kumbaga yung isang source of income lang especially here in like in a foreign country, so kailangan natin maraming source of income. So nung nakita ko tong negosyong ito through that advertisement from my mentor, so I think na from the time na napanood ko siya and nakita ko na mga kapwa Pinoy na din doon sa advertisement na yon, sabi ko even parang if they can do it, bakit hindi ako? So Dahil nakita ko yung sinasabi yung benefit ng business na nasa bahay lang sila, nag-aalaga ng mga anak nila, and then they are present for their kids and their family. And they are doing this business on the side at kumikita sila kahit nasa bahay lang sila. So, yung business model natin na no selling involved and lahat is ginagawa lang online. So, sino ba naman yung hindi gustong maging ganon yung lalo na tayong mga nanay, 'di ba? Gusto natin we can just stay home, maalagaan natin yung pamilya natin, makapagluto tayo para sa pamilya natin while earning. So, yun talaga yung na-amaze din ako na there's no selling involved with this business opportunity talaga. Yun yung talagang kumbaga, nung nalaman ko, okay, this is the business that I'm looking for. So, na-tick off lahat ng yung mga hanap ko sa isang negosyo. At hindi ko akalain na dito ko pa ito magagawa sa Canada, na magkaroon ka ng sarili mong negosyo and you'll be proud of it.
So yun, thank you so much Coach Glenda. Nakaka-inspire naman ng iyong journey. So ako, natatandaan ko, nakita ko tong digital business na ito sa post mo 5 years ago pa. Ayan. So, pero bago ako nakapag-decide na mag-join dito, ay noong last year lang. Bakit? Kasi naging skeptical din ako nung una dahil natatakot ako na baka ma-scam ako or what, yon. Pero noong nakita ko tong business na ito last year, parang may bumulong sa akin na bakit ito na yung opportunity, bakit hindi mo i-try? At ayun nga, hindi nga ako nagkamali. Kasi noong pinasok ko tong malaking community ng business na to, doon ako na-inspired sa mga kwento ng buhay ng iba't ibang tao sa iba't ibang part ng mundo, na hindi lang pala ang business na ito ay fit sa mga kabataan or sa mga kaya lang na gumamit ng social media, ng Facebook or something. So, na-amaze ako sa business na ito kasi fit ito para sa lahat. Kaya nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyo, Coach Glenda, kasi wala ako dito sa harapan ninyo kung hindi dahil sa inyo, Coach Glenda. So, yun. So, my second question naman ay, why did you start this digital business and what is your why?
Okay. So, by the way, Jen, thank you for those wonderful words. So, yan naman ang beauty ng business na to is we really share this business opportunity to everyone kasi gusto natin i-share, kumbaga makatulong sa kapwa natin, especially kapwa Pinoy, kasi alam naman natin kung how hardworking tayo and family-oriented. So, and thank you for trusting me. So it's been, I think, how many months? When did you join? Few months ago. So ayan. So my reason why I joined this business. So aside sa sinabi ko kanina na nung nalaman ko na I can do it at home, everything is online, and hindi mo kailangan magbenta. So yun talaga yung mga factors na talaga sabi ko sa sarili ko na, or I have the gut feeling when I saw the business opportunity na this is it, yung what I'm looking for. So of course, as a parent, as a mom, ang hangad naman natin is to be with our family 24/7, and kumbaga, wala kang ma-miss na any milestones of your family and yung mga special occasions, or lalo na dito sa ibang bansa, di ba? Wala naman tayong ibang mag-anak, tayo lang. So, kumbaga, kung ano man yung appointments, doctor appointments, school, or kailangan mong mag-run ng errands, mag-grocery, magluto. So, lahat sa'yo yon. So, dito as a parent, it's really important for us na magkaroon tayo ng time with the family. And I'm really grateful for this opportunity dahil sa negosyong ito, naibigay yun sa akin. Kumbaga, na-fulfill yung parang as a mom, di ba, na magawa natin yun para sa ating pamilya at the same time, kumikita tayo.
Yan, thank
Yeah.
you. You're so amazing, Coach Glenda. So, sa business na ito, may kanya-kanya kasi tayong biggest reason, di ba? Kung bakit tayo naririto. Sabi nga, hindi tayo accident lang na napapunta dito, kundi tayo ay nandito dahil sa mga challenges, sa mga struggles natin
Mhm.
bago natin matagpuan yung business na ito. Yun yung nag-push sa atin, nagbigay ng strength na dapat may mabago sa ating buhay. Dahil sa business na ito, marami na ang nag-akala na hanggang doon na lang sila, na magtatrabaho na lang sila
Mm.
ng ganun katagal sa buong araw, na ilang beses silang magtatrabaho. So doon
Correct.
maraming maraming tao na yung nabigyan ng bagong pag-asa dahil sa business na ito.
Mhm.
So
Totoo
yan.
yan.
So yan. So my last question is, what is your great challenge before starting this business and how did you overcome it?
Okay, so challenges, madami. um, First is, nung nakita ko tong negosyong to, I'm a new immigrant and I'm an introvert person. And nung time na yon, intimidated pa ako sa ibang lahi. So, kasi syempre from Pinas, and then tasali ka sa isang napaka diversified na business community or family. And hindi na mawawala dyan ang skeptical husband or spouse na meron ako when I started it. Pero paano ko lahat na overcome yon? Ako kasi is risk taker din talaga ako. And if I want to do something, so I make sure na kapag nag-decide ako na I want to do it, I'll make sure na I'll put my time and effort for it and my kumbaga, my 100%. Kaya, and then, syempre, nakita sa business, sa community natin, nakikita mo everyday na nai-inspire ka sa lahat ng mga stories nila na marami nang nakapag-bayad ng mga utang, di ba? Marami ng mortgage free, marami ng mga nag-travel in different parts of the world na hindi nila pinaproblema yung expenses. And nakakatulong sa mga pamilya natin sa Pinas. So, hindi mo na po problemahin na, syempre, especially if there's an emergency. So, 'di ba? So, kailangan meron kang madukot. So, yung mga ganong mga instances, what really push me and like prove to everyone na this business is worth all the, of course, hindi naman to get rich quick scheme. This is a business and this is not a job. So you will need to put, kumbaga, results mo will vary of your efforts. So katulad din ng trabaho, di ba? Kung hindi ka pumapasok sa trabaho, hindi ka sa sweldo. So ganun din sa negosyo. Kung hindi ka magtatrabaho, hindi mo pagtatrabahuan, yung mga dapat gawin sa negosyo, hindi ka rin kikita. So pareho lang din yan. Kaya nung nakikita ko yung mga kapwa natin Pinoy na nagsasucceed, so sinabi ko, and ibang lahi of course, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, kilala ko yung sarili ko, I know I can do it. Kaya kung kaya nila, of course, kaya ko rin. And I'm so thankful to God for this business opportunity.
Yan. So, totoo nga na sa business na ito, hindi lang tayo basta maghihintay. Kinakailangan din na may pagkilos din tayo. Hindi lang tayo maghihintay na mayroong lalapit sa atin na mga tao. Dapat ay ipakita rin natin na deserve natin na yung business na ito, di ba, Coach Glenda? Kasi talagang pag nandito tayo sa ibang bansa, hindi talagang sabihin natin na hindi madali ang buhay, na napakadaming bills, kumbaga hindi nawawala yon, part na yun ng buhay natin dito. Kaya thankful talaga ako na itong digital business na ito ang talagang nag-push sa akin na manatili dito, na manatili pa rin dito sa business na ito, kahit alam natin na hindi talaga mawawala ang mga struggles kasi part yun ng business, di ba po? So,
Correct.
yan.
Correct.
Ayan. So, ayan. Thank you so much, Ate Glenda, for your wisdom and your heart for helping others. your story reminds us all that nothing is impossible when we trust in God and surround ourselves with the right people. So before we go, is there one last message you'd like to share with everyone watching today?
Yeah, of course. We want to invite everyone po to check on this business opportunity. So it's either you can message Sis Jeneline if you want to learn more, or gusto niyo pong kumita ng extra income. So instead of looking for an extra job, why not do something for yourself? Since 2025 na. Okay? So mag-message lang po kayo kay Sis Jeneline or myself, and then we are happy po to guide you and to check this business opportunity. So you can watch po after po ninyo mag-message, meron po tayong free information session wherein you can get the basic details of the business and see po if this business will fit for you or not. And then from there po, we are this opportunity po is open to everyone. Busy ka sa trabaho, meron kang work, or you are a stay-home mom, and also any backgrounds po. Dito sa business natin, it's for all walks of life po. Kaya masaya po kami na makatulong, especially sa ating mga kababayan.
Yan. Thank you again, Ate Glenda, and thank you to all of you for tuning in today. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and you're not alone. Keep believing, keep dreaming, and keep moving forward. So dito na nagtatapos ang ating business talk for today. So until next time, God bless you all. Bye.
Bye, everyone.